Yeah, it's weird. For some reason, when I'm streaming, it won't charge. So who cares? We'll talk about that later. Another day, another day. It's not really the biggest problem in the world. It's just one of those things that makes me not want to buy an Android phone. 'Cause it's so fucking complicated. Hey, I got two likes. It's nice. Hilarious, an authentic adventure. Well, that's kind of nice. Where did this guy come from? Thanks a lot. I think I've been playing it too much. Okay, so, that's funny because my girlfriend says it's not funny at all. She fucking hates this game. She's not very supportive, right? What the fuck? Anyway, that's her. So, I want to see the country. How do I see the country people are from that have been rating this app? It's ratings, and then so we have 16 downloads. 3 of them are Hong Kong, probably all me. 6 are United States. 2 Indonesia, that's a bit weird. 1 in Australia, it's probably my friend. UK, don't know. Latvia, that's my project manager. Thailand, don't know. Turkey, don't know. So, I mean, who reviewed it though? I really want to know who reviewed it. I could see it before. Ratings, reviews. Country language, app version, device. Yeah, we need 100 ratings. So let's click reviews. I can download this data, right? Yeah. Okay, well, after we see where these reviews are from. Oh no, this is gonna be every. No, it's just in. Okay. Okay, so we got the review data. It's 900 bytes. I think it goes to my downloads, which is kind of unfortunate because yeah, I got a lot of stuff in there. Okay. Open. Okay, let's forget about that. Doesn't matter. Okay, so we've got a build ready to upload. I will do it later. Do we have anything to commit? I don't think so. So let's move on to PG Android, which I believe should be, yeah, here. I want to move it here actually. Oops, didn't mean to close that. So close this. Close this. What did I change? I don't know. Close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. It's too bad we couldn't get Fabric working, but there's not much data anyway, so it's not a big deal. It would be nice. It would be nice. Oh, yeah, it's definitely not working. So we'll come back to it maybe next week. So we chose some better screenshots. Yeah. Okay, so this is an interesting idea. Yeah, I think I will do this. I might do this. That's a funny idea. That's kind of related. Yeah, this is something to do as well. So this is like these four I think I'll work on. Do I have a tab for Messenger? No, I don't. Okay. Okay. NP. So let's close everything. Oh yeah, this needs to be pushed, so I'll push this up. Alright, so let's not worry about this. So the task I want to do is create a branch for these two characters. So, right, we need a password. Oh, it's so hot today. It's really very sunny. Okay, so we're done with this. We're on to this. I want to go back to the... Well, let's do a pull first. Because I did write some code this week. I think I should go for a run soon. Maybe in half an hour or 1 hour. Because I gotta go to a birthday party at 8:30, I think. And I want to run before I go. And I want to make sure I have enough time. What time is the stupid birthday party? Hope we're not drinking. It's called Mini Club. Okay, so that's done. And we want to check out the master branch. Branch checkout. Meester. Okay. Have I been here? It's a cigar restaurant? What the hell? That's weird. Normally cigars are not eaten, so... Yeah, sure. Okay, so we've got this, and we want to... I know we have two branches called from ages ago, maybe February. Yeah, we got one branch called Ulysses. Do we have a branch called Mia? I don't know. So let's take out the Ulysses branch. Oh, we have audio messages? I did not know that. Okay, so now we got the Ulysses branch, and we want to merge master into this branch so we get all the latest stuff. Merge to working tree. Okay, so we'll just commit all that. Commit and push, why not? Combining bar and restaurant as one. Wow. What a crazy idea. How insane can you get? So it's got drinks and lots of weird food that looks terrible. Hmm. Okay. So we're on the Ulysses branch, and characters Ulysses. Okay, so we have audio messages. I want to listen to these actually. Who recorded these? Are these by Henrik?
And eating. I was actually thinking about you a little.
That is Henrik. That's funny. Okay. So, freaking Henrik. So, fuck. Alright, so we pull this. I think there's nothing too crazy there. Documents, PG tools, funny tools. That's a funny name. Right, okay. Remote. We could just remove this. Close. No, not close. We want to remove. Yeah. Okay. So we have 20 to XML source main. So we want the out, and the out is here, and we got Ulysses. So this is what his file looks like. We also have Mia Ryu. Okay. Yeah. So there's Ulysses, or this is the XML file. Let's copy both of these because we need both of these. Go into the test. Christy card. Anchor. Right. Okay. So we got these two from there. Good. And then we want to add. Can I rename a branch? Probably not. Oops, wrong game. Scripts. XSD. Sure, XSD. Scripts, source, main, characters. I don't like this view. I like this view better. Okay, so we have Ulysses already. We'll just add in his XML file. And then we also have Mia Ryu. Mia underscore Ryu. And we'll add in the XML file. We also have images for this character, but image. So we're just missing audio messages for this character actually. 1, 2, 3. Just 3? That's a bit of a bummer. Anyway. Ugh. Okay. So we have added these characters in. I think we should actually make another branch. Fuck it, no, it's too complicated. So added in parsed scripts from Funny Rules project. Okay, so we got the scripts. We got the scripts, we got the audio messages. Mia is missing pictures, so I'm gonna get the photo set, which is in Drive somewhere. Hey, you know what might be a good idea? Or maybe not. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Okay. So first I'm gonna go to Funny Girlfriend. Assets. It's not there. Model photo sets. Model picture sets. So we got Rena. We have a lot of characters missing. Henrik's got some photos as well, huh? Okay. Henrik's script is so good, but his photos are so bad. And I'm not like insulting Henrik and saying that he's ugly. He's not ugly. He's good looking. It's just that he gave me the worst fucking photos ever for some reason. And he just refuses to give me any others because he's worried about his privacy or whatever. So I just can't use his photo set. It's just really bad. It's a lesson to learn. Don't accept a shitty photo set from the models. Anyway. But Mia's photos are quite good. So my idea is in scripts, in build.gradle for the scripts project, we have, where's development girlfriend? So maybe it's in build.gradle for the app. I don't know when I'm gonna do that actually. I've been thinking about doing it, but the problem is I have a lot of work to do, and I'd rather do my work on stream as opposed to teach people. I think it would be good if I did the tutorial series, but I don't really have enough time to do it. And the problem is if I do that, I'm kind of sacrificing my own projects. So I think I'm just going to stick to doing my own projects for now, which might be a bit of a bummer for you. So these need to be renamed. Maybe they don't. Who knows? This is weird. Okay, so I can do something smart because I know how to use SQL. I want to get the photo. No, it doesn't work. Damn it. So close. Image. So I might just call it PM60. So how many images do we have? Image. 16, okay. Profile pic. No, these we have 4. So there's 5 profile pictures and 16 images. I think I'll just do it by hand. Oh yeah, the other thing is I shouldn't be uploading images to the... Yeah, okay, so I'll figure that out as well. So let's take a look at... Let's take a look at Leilani. and the content access path is just so Mia YU, that's it. Okay. Content URL is nothing. Game state is unlocked. ID is, I don't know. Let's try 32. Initial conversation ID is 1. Initial profile pic file name is dunno. The language is English. MD5 is unknown. The SKU is, I'll just call it this. Okay, so we got a bunch of fields missing. Name, yeah. Status, no status. Picture file name, biography. That needs to be set. So what does the biography look like? Leilani doesn't have one, right? Of course, because so biography is normally like this. So we should go back to the scripts. Model scripts. They're just called scripts. And this is the bio. I don't like the profile picture she chose. Conversation ID is 1, initial interaction ID is 1, next conversation ID is probably 2. This, we just set a big number normally. So XP requirement. There's only one conversation, so we need to make another block. To ship audio messages? Yeah. So, yeah. So let's set the image. And I also want to rename all these files. How to do that? So how many images are there here? 62, quite a lot. I don't really feel like setting all these images. So maybe we just don't, right? Maybe that's the solution. Okay, so yeah, let's just not rename. We'll just leave them as they are named, which kind of sucks, but okay. So image. We'll just I think these are 1-to-1, right? So we just call it 60. It's a funny image. 60.jpg. So we need this JPG, right? And then no. Okay, F3. So this is 3.jpg. Okay, F3. This is 62.jpg. This is 8.jpg. This is 42.jpg. This is 53.jpg. It's 23.jpg. 9.jpg. 18.jpg. 26.jpg. 46.jpg. 4.jpg. 49.jpg. 40.jpg. 48, 59, 60. Okay, so they all seem to be set. Now the next part is the profile pictures. Update profile pic. 55. JPG. 61. Oops. 45. 52. Cool. All great. Very nice. Wunderbar. Wonderful. 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 Okay, so we set all the images except for the profile picture. I want to choose one that I like. I like this actually. I think it's funny. So is 7.jpg set? No. Yeah, okay, so let's use this one. And it needs to be 720 by 720. Okay. And yeah. So we need to make an archive. And we also need to, so actually we can't call it 7. This one needs to be yeah, review underscore official. What do I normally, what are these normally called? So they're normally called post assets initial profile or pp initial. So Mia review. I think I'll just make it like Mia review initial underscore pp. Or actually it's pp underscore initial. Right? Like that. Mia review pp underscore initial. Okay. Good. And we also want to add it to funny girlfriend, right? So it's initial the same. Okay, so we got that. So we set the initial profile pic. We need to set it in the script, which you did, which is done. I also set it here because of legacy dumbass reasons. It's probably fixable, but I'm not gonna fix it because I'm a lazy. Okay, so profile picture's done, but we need to make the bundle. And to do that, one way we could do it is we could just bundle up this whole thing. 6 megs. Why is it so big? Where's the big files here? Okay. None of them are really that big. This one's the biggest one. Okay, so let's kind of do this in a slow and stupid way. So move this here, move this smaller. So first one's 60, so let's just move 60 out. Yeah, we got enough space. Okay, so move 60. And then what? 3. 62. 8. 42. 53. 23. 9. 18. 26. 46. 4. 49. 40. 48. 59. 60. Oh! 60 the first one? It is. Okay, so that means we're done. Not quite. Update. Profile pic. 55. These need to be squares. And they're not. Okay. Okay, don't worry. There's a way. Profile pics. We need to make them squares. 61. 45. 52. 55. I think we already did it, yeah. Okay. So we got all we isolated the images that are used in the app. So these need to be squares. 720 by 960. Oops. 720. This one's a bit tricky. So it's, yeah. So I think I'll use Flash for this one. Why does it make that noise? That's like a error noise, isn't it? Nobody wants to hear an error noise. Okay, so 1080 by 1080. Okay, so if I set it to 0, 0, I mean, this is really what we want, I think. So y should definitely be 0. 1616. 1080 minus 1. This sucks. We suck at this. Okay, so y is definitely 0. Okay. So I think the way we do it is we go 1080 minus 1616, which is minus 536. Okay, let's try that. 536. Okay, that looks fine. And then we'll export it image as we want it to be JPEG. and we want it to be full document size here. So that should be a square. It is. How big is it? What's this? Something crashed? I think something crashed. So this is 52. That's still going. I don't know what this is, but it's not doing too well. I think it's a calculator. So we're still streaming, right? Yeah, we're still here. Okay, so square, square. This is a square too. Nice. This is not a square. 960, 640. So it's like we need to make it 640 by 640, right? And we should use Flash for this again. Okay, that's very small. I know the height is 640. Okay, so we want to make a 640 by 640 window, and then we'll just 0, 0 this. And it's basically 960 minus 640 divided by 2. So 960 minus 640 is 320. 320 divided by 2 is 160. So I think that's, oops, it was minus 160. Yeah, so I think that's going to be right. So let's try it out. Export image. Okay, it looks, yeah, looks good. So that one's called 61. We'll just call it 61. And replace it. Okay, so we got there's supposed to be 5 profile pictures, and I think one of them is here. I forgot which one I chose to be the profile picture. I think it was the one with the prawns. So does the profile picture need to be in the bundle? Actually, I don't think it does. So I think we're good. So the next thing we do is we zip this up. Add to archive, zip. We don't want to compress it because we want to be able to read it very fast. And then that's a 1.89, whatever. And then we also want to get the MD5 of that zip. We'll just use WinMD5. Okay, so then we'll just set the MD5. Good. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Okay, so we set the MD5, and then we need to put in the zip file as an asset. And then we need to say this character must be copied. So, we've got this, we've got this. This one we'll call Mia or you. And then the next thing is we want to copy characters. So Mia's character number is 32. I don't know if we have any other. We can check actually. So we can open the databases, which are here. Export, export. So this is one database. This is another database. And then we can take a look at the funny characters. So 24, 25, 26. So 20, 27 is the highest here. And then what about this one? We've got 33 as the highest. 33. So actually Mia needs to be 34. Where is the script? So we'll set her ID as 34. It's kind of annoying that the ID is like that, right? 34, okay. And then in the copy character service, we'll copy character 34. And then I think we're all good to go. Oh no, wait. We still have to set the scripts. So what's this? What should I name the script? Mia underscore right Ryu. LMN. Mia underscore Ryu. Okay. Great. That's done. So let's see if we can do a sync. Oh, it failed. Oh no. What? Error or missing database. Android Monotuna. I think it might be because we have these files open. I don't know. But no, that worked. That worked. This one didn't work. No, I mean, just because it's open doesn't mean we can't. Oh, no, because it's open, I think it failed to delete it. I think. So I want to change over to a different version. Oh no, I am on the fast version. Okay, so we'll just do that again. Or we'll just press build. Yeah, build it to there. Final Masquerade is here. Still failed. What could it be? Table Android metadata already exists. Jeepers. Let's just delete the whole build directory. No, wait. Let's delete the stuff inside the build directory. Okay. Skip. It is this thing, right? So it was because it was open. I think it's because it was open. It was still open. So basically, every time I do a build, it needs to create the database, and so what it does is just deletes the database and then makes a new one. But the problem was I had it open, and so it wouldn't let me. Windows wouldn't let Android Studio do the delete. That was it. So I think it's gonna work this time. I think that worked, even though it looks scary, like blah 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 blah. Blah. Yeah, so I basically do you want to uninstall it? Yeah, uninstall it. It's pretty cool. Before it couldn't do that, but basically now I just hold to delete the app and put on a new one. Pretty smart, Android Studio. Pretty smart. Okay, so the build worked, but the picture is missing. Why is that profile picture missing? I don't know why. Ah, I know why. I know why. It's because so the whole thing is missing, and it's because so app source girlfriend plus assets. Development girlfriend assets. Just kill this out and then just put this in. Okay, so we'll delete this again and then see how it goes. Damn it, picture still failed to load. That's annoying. Okay, so the script seems to have come in okay. But the image didn't come in okay. So let's take a look at Miaryu. Source main character is Miaryu. So I spelled it wrong. So it's supposed to be let's copy the whole thing, right? And then okay, so let's try that again. But otherwise, it seems pretty good. It's just missing audio. So let's build that down again. Is there a reason why it failed? Okay, so I think it was just like some sort of connection failure. So what I could do is I could take a look at the build and then just send it across with ADB. ADB install. What's that noise? Did the stream die? Yeah, it did. Okay. Alright, so some of the picture is there, which is good. Cool. So that came across pretty nice. I would also like to test out Ulysses. Problem is he's missing so much content. But maybe it's not a problem. Okay, so let's just commit that. We don't want this. We don't really want that. Okay, so let's just we definitely want this. So let's just describe this. Mia Ryu images and yeah. Added in image file names and file. Yeah. Initial picture. Zip file. Local zip file for testing. Okay, so that's pretty good. So we still have this issue where we can't blast through the scripts really quickly. Figure out a way to auto play scripts on Nexus. On latest Android. For some reason we can't do that. It only works in the old versions of Android. It's pretty weird. So I think this is a pretty I don't know. I don't know. I haven't got any plans to do it. Oh, I just got that message. So, I think it's a good place to stop. Thanks for watching, whoever was watching, and I might stream again later tonight.